Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul here back with an interesting video. In this video, we'll be looking at the Galaxy M51. Recently, I got a rumor about the Oneplus Z, which will come with the Snapdragon 765 with 5G enabled. Now, this looks like the Samsung's Oneplus Z rival. So in this video, we'll be looking at everything, all the aspects of the Galaxy M51. So without any further ado, let's get started. According to the leaks, the Galaxy M51 will be coming with the Snapdragon 675, which is kinda downgrade because even the last year's Galaxy M40 also came with the Snapdragon 675. I know it's powerful, it's pretty powerful, but compared to the 765 in the OnePlus Z, it can't take the opposite rival exactly. But processor is not the only thing that Samsung puts in the smartphone. There are other aspects too. The Galaxy has been listed on Geekbench with model number SM-M55-5F. The listing suggests that the phone will run on the latest Android 10 operating system, which will likely be skinned by the One UI 2.1. The phone, as mentioned, is listed to be powered by the Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor with base frequency clocked at 1.8 GHz. The Geekbench listing also suggests that the Samsung Galaxy M51 may pick on at 8 gigs of RAM. The single core score of this phone is listed to be 546 points and the multi-core score is listed to be 1784 points. Samsung puts the best displays on any smartphone, whether it is S series, A series or anything. In that range, the displays will be top category. But here in case of the Galaxy M51, what happens is the phone will feature a punch hole display, so AMOLED can't be put. So they're using the 6.5-inch LCD panel, which is also a good panel with good colors and 8-bit display and 60 Hz of refresh rate. The Galaxy M51 is likely to be rebranded the A51 that was released 2-3 months ago. The A51 has a fantastic display, the Super AMOLED display, but this will again feature an LCD display, but that's fine because of the punch hole. And in case of cameras, we have a single punch hole, as I've already told, 16 megapixels, and to the rear we have a triple camera setup. One will be the main camera, 48 megapixels, and the 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Samsung will be skipping the depth camera in the smartphone. Now talking about the hardware in a detailed view, as I've already told, it will be the rebranded A51. So you already know all the specs of the A51, the display, the speaker, single mono speaker, and you'll be getting 2 SIMs with support to micro SD card and splash resistant. And here we'll be getting 5000 mAh battery, not in case of the Galaxy M31 where we get 6000 mAh, but here because of the processor we are getting a downgrade here, so 5000 mAh for the battery. So that was everything that we know so far. I hope you guys liked the video. If yes, please hit the subscribe icon and also the bell icon next to it. It will mean a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.